Copy. Our codes still work.
Affirmative. What's your status?
One click from the gate with soap and ghost.
Copy. Hold tight. Out. Good work, Alejandro. Guys, take your 6. Let's move. Weapons.
سلام باشد که یکی دیگه چه روکی ویدیو چه پارت 9 مدرن وارفر 2 لعبه چه بهتر چه لعبه شروع کنیم میں کانال اگر تازه آشنا بگه میں کانال سبسکرائب کنه ویدیو لایک کنه و کامنت بده واسه ویدیو شیر کنه که دوست رفیقانی که رات میں کمیونیتی و کانال ماستر ببین برین که یه پارت هم بریم. خب یه پارت اما تیم گوست نه که در واقع گو شادو کمپانیا که خیانت کویشان لوٹا درگیر بگم لوٹا بجنن که پایگاه در واقع حمله کنه اما کریر سکه آیه لوٹا بجنن خب یه تله غیرفعال بی بردیم
To see this in my base. When we find graves, lo matamos despacio.
Move when it's clear. All you guys.
Got it.
Expect more ahead. My men use these tunnels. We practice escape and evasion down here. ¿Recuerdan el simulacro, vaqueros?
¿Cómo olvidarlo, comandante? Los entrenaste bien.
Eres un buen soldado. Cuando todo se termine, vendrás a mi rancho. Cocinamos una asada.
Press forward. Not alone. Shadows. How many? 3.
Sign up at DM bacha.
Good shooting. It's a bloody maze down there. Lucky you got me. This way. Graves had traps. We didn't change the codes. Never expected to fail us. What's in it? Takes us up to the right level. Better shout for more charges. Hear that? Smoke it up, guys. Out. Right again, Captain.
On you.
Contact. They know we're here.
Well, assume they do, but he may not have had time to call us in. Once we're topside, there'll be birds on the tarmac. My pilot will take you up, Captain.
Got it. Let's go. Follow me. Ahead and to the right. Hold your fire. We're in the center of the base. We'll secure a helicopter. Get you airborne, Captain. Gus, you're with me. Right behind you. On your 6.
دانه رو چه؟ بریم برو دیگه جان پایگاه یاد که Good shot.
What's the code? 627. Let's hope it still works. Basis, boy. Orale, on me. All goes, one is inside. Copy.
دو عصف بالتوشيك كودي أجراني مدوار كارو كنكاركو.
On wheels up with eyes on.
Copy that. 2 is inbound to the gate. You're cleared hot when target is marked.
Think Graves is in the HQ holding his ground.
Once we're in, we split up. Close air clears the way.
With shadows on the run, we locate Graves and kill him. Comprende?
Fuerte, teniente. Ghosts, preparados para atacar.
So, get the designator and mark targets for Price in the helo.
Roger that. Good to go.
Requesting fire. Grid is marked.
Copy your mark. Weapons loose.
John, that's
Good guns, Bravo 6.
Jackie, protection tantita.
Use the chaos for cover and get to Valeria.
On me. Go.
Bro.
Graves is in the
Target marked
HQ.
for fire.
We need to find him. Keep pushing up.
ماشین نداری؟ اوکی ماشین نیا میره این چه میره اینجا چه ستون کجا تو ستون تو که وازانه کجا شد؟ زرهیه نامر زره نجتا ہوتا شیلدم پر کنه
Target marked. Fire when ready.
Copy. Engaging your mark.
Ini lama kan ya gitu. Temer.
Target marked.
Quiet, round down.
Tiram kote tame sniper. خبرين ديما چرچه خبرين جان M4 اصلا دیگه چیزی لامت سر
That tower looks like it could get us close to the HQ.
Go through the barracks to the main building. That's the HQ. Graves will be there.
Bravo 6 standing by for fire mission.
Sniper.
Requesting fire. Target tagged.
Copy your mark. Weapons loose.
Copy. वैसे तो पानी लिया बाद में अरे तो तैर रहे थे तो दे मना What the? Serious ना ये किधर हो रहा है? अरे कार नहीं यार बच्चा नौ मर्दों वे क्या खबर है शुमार किधर हो गई पैदा है کجا جنگ یا پیر
Request for fire. Target marked. Quiet, round down.
بیا هلیکوپتر بیا جان اینتا بینم پشتوانی هوایی از سمر چه پنگره
Still got your flag up on the HQ. Let's keep it that way.
Pensavo che toppavano,
So, check that door.
Partner. Dai, pace canale. Yeah.
It's locked. Rudy, what do you got? Read your charge. Nice. Clear to engage all threats inside. If you see Graves, drop him. Hey, Rudy. Sorry about your base. Yo también, amigo. Hits it. 3, 2, 1. Execute. Bases, we're in. Orale, on me. All goes, one is inside. Copy. Get him, son. Place will be full of shadows. Stay quiet if you want to live. Solid copy. On you, Colonel.
अच्छा कुछ हम जाना है हा बने ओ no मार दे के दा मुई नदी है चसला
Time to get to Valeria. Gyro is heads up on the helo.
There's a chance to move.
Exactly. They're holding Valeria in Hangar 3. Stay out of sight and we'll work our way there.
Hangar 3, roger that.
Use the vehicles for cover. Stay low. Watch out. Got shadows moving through.
कुछ बात
Stay sharp. Couple of runners nearby.
You have any clue Graves was up to no good?
I always keep my eyes on the gringos. But no, I trusted him.
Bad men can do good things.
Good men can do bad, too.
For real. What does Gringo actually mean?
हर ने मरो एक के ज़ाहिर
The Mexican-American War. The Americans wore green coats.
When was this?
1847. Approaching your position.
Never knew that.
Contact! Right behind you!
दिखते मार फिरे अरे दिखते मार बहुत देता हूँ नॉर्मल आज की दौड़ होता है ठोका इसका Bro, touch. सज्जन राम जैक क्यों? Bro, बात करना को मन तीर नहीं. तो खुजे. E Alessandro, cosa vidro? क्लियर मार्क तो मना वाक तो सारने मना घेतो तो तीर ना जाने क्लियर करने के उतर पूरा वीडियो
Back in the door, Sergeant. Valeria!
Jackpot.
Now we secure this position until Soap Ghost and Rudy take Graves.
Guys to Bravo 6.
Valeria इधर गया
Rog, stay sharp. We're going for Graves.
Does Adolfo have the door codes?
No. He has something a little stronger. That's locked. Rudy, what do you got? Reach your church.
हाँ पता नहीं होगा
Clear to engage all threats inside. If you see Graves, drop him. Hey, Rudy. Sorry about your base. Yo también, amigo. Set it.
3,
2, 1. Execute.
बच्चा
Contact. Second deck.
ऐसे तो
He's on the
बता
run. Clear in.
पता बिगड़ती शो
Go, go, go! Second floor. Move! Grenade out! Looks like we're clear.
Head for the control room. There's an exit in back.
Graves must have used it. All ours. Let's find him. All stations be advised.
अच्छा हेलीकॉप्टर जाओ
We're hit! We're hit! Royce! Going down! We're going down! Steven, help!
यार हेलीकॉप्टर जा मैं भाई
Ese hijo de puta Graves!
Let's get over and stop him!
कापिताना
I got you. Go on. Let's
कप्तान
end this
प्राइस
asshole.
Toma mi mano.
कप्तान प्राइस के जाता अंते
Ghost, you coming? No. Price and the pilot need help. You two finish this. Look.
That's not ours.
Holy
What
shit,
the
Graves, bro, fucking
hell?
tight. You ready
कौन
for
की
this?
बच्चा टच
Looks like the
कलाम
hunters are getting hunted now, huh? Ain't that a kick
शेर
in the
इसको
ass?
जाना
Can't wait to bake this bastard.
We'll need something stronger to kill Graves in that tank.
हाँ सिफर
This is our training area. Plenty we can use. Look around. Got Graves' attention
हाँ
now.
सिफर फिर बाद दिखे बिगड़ा बच्चा बुरो 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 बुरो
You and your Mexicano friends fucked with the wrong hombre, McTavish.
Come on, Aaron, let's talk about it.
You think this is a fucking game out here? You want to play war? Let's play some fucking war, Chicos. Tank is taking damage. Hit him again. One of you dipshits needs to die last. Who's it gonna be?
अरे धीरा शुमार
Oh,
चीज़
fuck
होता
yourself,
टांग के
Graves.
मगन में दूम में
You got a healthy disrespect for authorities, so I like that about you.
Your shepherd's lapdog. You get paid to break the rules.
There's only 2 rules here, boys. Walk away or win. Guess which one I choose.
Ah!
You've gone home when you had the chance, though. You and that asshole with the mask. Right behind that uniform.
You wore that uniform.
That uniform was a limitation. I shed that skin.
Like a fucking snake.
Like a fucking soldier, son.
You had to make your own little army. Because you couldn't hack it in the real one.
That's almost funny coming from you, but then again, I remember my first rodeo, too. You're on the short road to hell now, son. I told you to go home, but you didn't listen.
बाहर देता हूँ अब ना मर्द
Fucking war, Chicos. Tank is taking damage. Hit him again. One of you dipshits needs to die last. Who's it gonna be?
Go fuck yourself, Graves.
You gotta help you disrespect for authorities, so I like that about you.
वेलकम
Your shepherd's lapdog. You get paid to break the rules.
There's only 2 rules here, boys. Walk away or win. Guess which one I choose. You've gone home when you had the chance. You and that asshole with the...
ایول نفت نفرتن ماتی که پفیوز
You and me, hermano.
Brought a gun to a tank fight.
Yeah, we did. So up the ghost. And we're ready. Graves is KIA. How's your price?
KIA
Angry. Lost a good cigar in the crash. Pilot's okay too. Out.
Alejandro,
¿Qué es de cara,
la
com?
base está asegurada. Graves está muerto. Vamos en camino.
¿Qué pasó, vaquerito de mierda? ¿Comenzaste una guerra? Te persigue la violencia a todas partes, me cae.
No hice ningún trato contigo. Fueron ellos.
Esa fue tu cagada, precisamente.
You knew that was a third missile.
Oh,
تو زن سعیمی موشک کجایی؟ من حساب نکوته گیم
Where's the son? Where's the other missile?
اصلا کجایی عادی موشک کجا میشی؟
Chicago.
شیکاگو هم
What the fuck's going on?
I said I'd tell you
¿Qué
where he
خبره
was. I didn't
داشتی؟
say I would stop him.
Escorpión de la verga. I warned you she would do this, eh?
I run a business, señores. We grow or we die. It's the way of the world.
You put a target on your back.
No. I put a target in Chicago. Now fucking leave Las Almas and go find the pendejos
تارگت
pa'
مخفی
fuera.
کتی تیشن ما شیکاگو بیکته
She's yours. But we'll be back.
I look forward to it.
Let's go. La chingada. So, proper transport get Laswell. A son and a missile are in Chicago.
اصلا گو موشک همشه شیکاگو
I'll be free in 24 hours. Can't say the same about you, vaqueros.
You're going down for what you did.
It doesn't matter what I did. It matters what you can prove.
Go. You have work to do. Keep fighting the good fight, hermano. To the bitter end, my brother.
Good luck, amigos.
Ghost! No te pierdas, carnal. ¡A huevo!
Ya está
Nelson Nombre told us the third missile was smuggled into the United States through the port of Chicago.
Hassan and his AQ soldiers are with it.
We don't know exactly where the missile is or where it's headed. But we do know that Hassan was taken to a building in downtown Chicago owned by a shell company
مردن
in the Las
دقیقا
Almas
کجا
Casa.
هن یه بله
Police
یک
are on the ground cordoning off streets around the building. They're on the lookout for a stolen container full of weapons. They do not know we're dealing with a missile. We believe Hassan is holed up in a fortified server room on the 54th floor of this building. I will be on the ground working to locate the missile.
I'll infill with the Marines on the Chicago River and move in on the ground level.
I'll heli up to an OP across from the objective for armed overwatch. We'll touch 2 helos down on the roof of the target building. One with a troop of Marines, the other with me and Soap.
While Gaz and the Marines push up the building, Price and Soap will work their way down, with Soap propelling to the server floor, pinching Hassan in the middle.
کسی جاله
Our
که
primary
ما
mission is to locate and stop the missile.
که
But
صوتی
you have
کمای
execute authority
من
to
چه
kill
برده
Hassan.
اتمالا
Watcher 1 to Bravo 6 actual. Perimeter is
اگر
secure.
صوب ببینی که تو برده معامله کنی اگر پرایس هم ببین بدن تو برده اگر گاز ببینی چی جاله دوستم اگر بین راه ساختمان فرس نکتا بکنی
Bravo 6-2 is 20 seconds from the target building. Intel reports multiple AQ inside.